In this video, we will learn important vocabulary from Unit 2. Learn their meanings and synonyms easily. Let's get started.
So, the first is...
Heritage. Heritage means traditions and things passed down from the past. We should protect our heritage. Synonyms are tradition, culture, legacy.
Now, the second is legitimate. Legitimate means allowed by law or rules. This is a legitimate reason. Synonyms are legal, valid, lawful. Now, the third word is
Overcome. Overcome means to successfully deal with a problem. She overcame her fear. Synonyms are defeat, conquer, beat.
Next, the fourth word is... Fourth!
Caravan. Caravan means a group of people or animals traveling together. The caravan crossed the desert. Synonyms are group, convoy, train.
And now, the fifth word is...
passion. Passion means strong love or enthusiasm. She follows her passion. Synonyms are love, enthusiasm, zeal.
Let's see. The sixth word is... Sixth!
Acumen. Acumen means sharp thinking and quick understanding. She has great acumen. Synonyms are intelligence, insight, cleverness.
Get ready. The seventh word is... Seven!
Self-sustenance. Self-sustenance means supporting oneself without help. He lives with self-sustenance. Synonyms are independence, self-reliance, self-support.
Wait for it. The eighth word is...
Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship means starting and running a business. He is learning entrepreneurship. Synonyms are business, enterprise, venture.
Get ready. The ninth word is...
Empowerment. Empowerment means giving power or confidence. Education brings empowerment. Synonyms are confidence, strength, authority.
Surprise! The 10th word is... 10th!
Sustainable. Sustainable means something that can continue without harming the future. We should use sustainable energy. Synonyms are eco-friendly, renewable, lasting.
The first word is overcome. It means to successfully deal with a problem, and the synonyms are defeat, conquer, and beat. The second word is acumen. It means sharp thinking and quick understanding, and the synonyms are intelligence, insight, and cleverness. The third word is self-sustenance. It means supporting oneself without help, and the synonyms are independence, self-reliance, and self-support. The fourth word is sustainable. It means something that can continue without harming the future, and the synonyms are eco-friendly, renewable, and lasting. The fifth word is empowerment. It means giving power or confidence, and the synonyms are confidence, strength, and authority. The sixth word is legitimate. It means allowed by law or rules, and the synonyms are legal, valid, and lawful. The seventh word is heritage. It means traditions passed from the past, and the synonyms are tradition, culture, and legacy. The eighth word is caravan. It means a group traveling together, and the synonyms are convoy, group, and train. The ninth word is passion. It means a strong love or enthusiasm, and the synonyms are love, zeal, and enthusiasm. The 10th word is entrepreneurship. It means starting and running a business, and the synonyms are business, venture, and enterprise.
Now it's your turn. Use these words in your sentences.
Hey kids, are you ready?